Okay, hopefully all the kids are here. So now I'll mute all the participants. Ani Magiri, the gurus, if you can unmute when you have your section, okay? Screen this ki sangat, please. Kanchi screen this, sir. Do you see the full screen or do you see a split screen?
A split screen. So
Oh.
next slide moneta, sir.
Okay. Let me see.
Display view change करका.
Why magal hai दोन screen asati. That's why it's happening.
On the top display settings asna mein tanto click korno.
Why? Let me just go here. Atsamasva. Can you see the full?
Atsamas.
Okay. Okay. If you can all unmute except the gurus. Basically amgal parent gurus meeting zale. So we'll start with the Prarambha Prarthana. Ani Magiri will mention the star students who submitted the assignments, and like we said before to your parents, if you didn't have the time to do it this week, don't worry, you are all star students. We know that some of you have been busy with school or other things, so it's okay if you could not give it this time, but going forward, if you can give your assignments, then we get to see how you say it, and everyone in Kauka sees it, and you are really students, and people can see all the things you are learning and be proud of you. Ani Magiri, we might do this Sanjeevani story at the end. Magiri bhajan mantala mi Hanumanari. Magiri san break, or maybe we can take the break later because kids have come just now. And then Sadhana and Venkat ma'am will talk about Teru. That's a very interesting presentation. मागीर आम्ही क्विज करूया on Ramayana characters. तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी answer करू जातला. You all can answer questions, and we can have fun with that. And then we'll say Om Namah Shivaya. Okay? आणि सर्वमंगल मांगल्यम. So with that, आम्ही start कश करता ती with वक्रतुंड, right? So आता तुमका पुराय म्यूटर अशील काढता आम्ही वटू म्हणूया. Okay? तुम्ही videos on मळल ना. It was very nice, all of you. वटू म्हणूया. Okay? Straight by Sati, if possible nalar by Sati, palkat mandunu, heart is straight. Modi ave vatuchi. Vakratunda Mahakaya
Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada.
Very nice. Thank you. Atamka, this time whoever gave the assignments, we are calling them the star students, but like we said, everyone is a star in this class. So we have Vihan Bhatt. Oh, I'll just mute everyone again. Okay, so we have Vihan Bhatt, Khushi Kodikal, Kunal Kodikal, Devdutt Pai, Shraddha Shenoy, Pranav Kini, Riya Nayak, Rohit Shenoy, and Anika Shenoy. All of you had beautiful videos. Tumi prayers malli, tumi meditate kella, you tumi Konkani tulela, you spoke in Konkani. It was beautiful. And your parents were so happy, and all of us were so happy to see your videos. So thank you for all your efforts. We know you put in a lot of effort, so thank you for that. So, and next time also we'd like to see more kids participate. We want to see more videos. We want to see more participation. Okay, so thank you for all your efforts, star students. With that, आम्ही Sanjeevani story at skip Korea. We'll sing a bhajan on Hanuman. Okay? So at the Sheila Pachi will sing the bhajan. Ha parat unmute karta and you can repeat after her. Okay?
Shall I start? Can you repeat it? Okay. Try to repeat. Okay. Don't have to.
You can start.
No. Don't touch that.
Unmute. बाकी चैनल.
Okay. देखो बाकी बोलो.
हाँ पूरे अनम्यूट के लिया.
Okay. I'll start. The name of the bhajan is Anjaneya Swami. It's about Hanuman. Okay. Hanuman.
Oh, Hanuman.
So the bhajan is on Hanuman. So I'll start now.
Hanuman Chalisa सुनते हो ना? It's like that. Okay?
Anjaneya Swami. Satata bhajana nirata. Say. Atma Repeat. Atma Sitapati.
But I even understand. Sorry to interrupt. Sorry to interrupt. You know, there's a lot of echo, and this is because of the software that we are using. So what I would say is, Mummy, if you can sing the line, I'm sorry, kids, I'll have to mute all of you. If you can sing with your parents, or if you can sing by yourself. Mummy, can you unmute yourself so that only your voice is heard? Because Tugal echoes at us and we are not able to follow the words. Okay?
And Shilabachi, पहिल दोन start करी.
Yeah, can you start from the beginning?
Anjaneya Swami Satata Bhajana Nirata. Repeat. Anjaneya Swami Satata Bhajana Nirata. Atma Rama Mune Sitapati Duta. Repeat. Atma Rama Mune Sitapati Duta. Sagar Tarana Ripudala Harana. Repeat. Sagar Tarana Ripudala Harana. Sajjana Bharana Namo Namo. Sajjana Bharana Namo Namo. Vanara Pravara Vajra Sharira. Vanara Pravara Vajra Sharira. Pavana Kumara Namo Namo. Repeat. Pavana Kumara Namo Namo. Now chorus. The first two lines are chorus. Anjaneya Swami Satata Bhajana Nirata. Repeat. Anjaneya Swami Satata Bhajana Nirata. Atma Rama Mune Sitapati Duta. Repeat. Atma Rama Mune सीतापतिदूत लक्ष्मण पालक लंका दाहक रिपीट लक्ष्मण पालक लंका दाहक जानकी मोहक नमो नमो रिपीट जानकी मोहक नमो नमो संवित साधक प्रेरक सेवक रिपीट संवित साधक प्रेरक सेवक आदर्शात्मक नमो नमो रिपीट आदर्शात्मक नमो नमो आंजनेय स्वामी सतत भजन निरत रिपीट आंजनेय स्वामी सतत भजन निरत आत्मा राम मुने सीतापति दूत रिपीट आत्मा राम मुने सीतापति दूत कपिगण सेवित तरुणाराधित रिपीट कपिगण सेवित तरुणाराधित कविवर संस्तुत नमो नमो रिपीट कविवर संस्तुत नमो नमो बुद्धिमतावर सिद्धिवराकर रिपीट बुद्धिमतावर सिद्धिवराकर संवित सुंदर नमो नमो रिपीट संवित सुंदर नमो नमो कोरस आंजनेय स्वामी सतत भजन निरत आत्मा राम मुने सीतापति दूत. Then we sing the last line of every stanza while ending. Pavan Kumar Namo Namo. Repeat. Pavan Kumar Namo Namo. Adarshatmak Namo Namo. Repeat. Adarshatmak Namo Namo. Samvit Sundara Namo Namo. Repeat. Samvita Sundara Namo Namo. Anjaneya Swami Satata Bhajana Nirata Atma Rama Mune Sitapati Duta. Thank you.
Thank you. So we just want to emphasize one thing. Kids, you may be wondering why you didn't see lyrics or words this time. The reason for that is Indiantu, you know, your parents know this, your grandparents definitely have gone through this. Ami bhajan sessions astati, where a lot of adults, kids meet in huge halls or in someone's house and they sing bhajans together. And what happens is at that time, not always do we have words in our hand or definitely not in PowerPoint slides. So what happens is someone sings a bhajan and everyone follows. Yes, sometimes you don't say all the words, but the goal is for everyone to focus on the listening, get involved in the God who is in focus, and sing it with the person. And it's like group singing. So if you did not follow certain words, don't worry about it. It was just to give you an experience of what the bhajan sessions are like in India most of the time. So we will be passing you the lyrics or the words for these for this bhajan, and then you can sing it if you want to later on. Okay. So
just one. I just want to tell all the parents. I will, after this session, I'll be posting these lyrics on Gurukul WhatsApp, because if they are interested in teaching the children, they can definitely teach. And I've written it in English also. But while I was singing, I was reading the Devanagari script. But I have
We'll
just
post both.
Yeah, we'll post both if they want both. Yeah.
thank you. So I'll just share again, 1 second. So we just sang the Anjaneya Swami bhajan, which is based on Hanuman Devu or Maruti or Anjaneya Swami. After this, Sadhana Pachi and Venkat Raman ma'am will talk to you about Teru. Ami pado yahan Teru mein kasle mano. Okay? Sadhana, Venkat.
I'm just trying to share the screen.
Right.
Screen. I'm getting screen.
Can you see our screen?
Not yet. Not yet.
We at this.
Oh, this is well.
Wait, this salary. It's in. It's not in presentation mode.
F5.
Oh, wait, at this.
Okay. Okay. At full screen this time?
At the samasa.
Wait.
Okay. So, Happy, Ammi, we wanted to talk about Teru. Okay. So, when Gurukul session started, Ammi Wingwingad festivals habagulela. We have talked about different festivals. Each festival has taka religious significances. It is associated with God. Ammi describe kela, Ammi kashi celebrate kartachi in various parts of India and all that. But Ammi gharkad kash kartachi, what are the sweets we cook and all that. But Teru is a festival. Ammi ek community she celebrate kartachi. For a village, for a temple. Amka pura janak what to hano, ek gavanto, but for a devastan. Ammi celebrate kurch festival Teru.
तुम्ही सनातन केंद्रांतू एक चॅरिएट पडोन सुका नवे तै साइड आदवर नाशिले रुक्काचे तेरू ते रुक्काचे आणि अशी तका फ्लॅक्स पुरयनाची हे तेरा दाखयल म्हणके सान तेरू तो
ऐकत की तुमका?
Wait, ऐकत.
Okay. So, Teru mala, what is Teru? Teru ka आम्ही विंगविंगड रीतीरा पळयता. रथ म्हण येता, इंग्लिशान चॅरियट म्हण येता, कार म्हणताची. तशी आम्ही तेरू सेलिब्रेट करताना ताका रथोत्सव म्हणताची, कार फेस्टिवल म्हणताची. मस्त ऑलमोस्ट ऑल आमकां गोत्तशेल देवस्थान एव्हरी इयर तांगेले तेर असता. विंगविंगड ओकेशन्स असता. आता मंगलोर कोडियालाचे वेंकटरमण देवस्थानांतू रथसप्तमी तेर असता. कडेरी मुल्के देवस्थान कुंदापुरच देवस्थान रामनवमी तेर आसा. तशी प्रति देवस्थानाक एक ओकेशन आसतानी तेर सेलिब्रेट करताचे.
Every temple celebrate Teru on different occasions.
Right. But main कसले म्हळ्यार तेर सेलिब्रेट करताना all many people ते देवस्थानाचे ते गावांचे गामांच मात्र ने विंग विंगड कड सुकुन जन वोट येवनो वोट सेलिब्रेट करताची. इट इज अ ओकेजन ऑफ जॉय. जात्रा म्हणता पळे तशी
जनांक गंमत करचे एक ओकेशन.
आता you can all ask your parents, तुमतून गेले तंतन गेले नेटिव्ह टाउन सांगतो कशी सेलिब्रेट करताची म्हणून. बट तेरू म्हणून तुमका आम्ही सांगून का आम्ही कोडियाल तेरा बगी सांगता असेल. आता हांव दाखोवचे पिक्चर वेंकटरमण देवस्थान मंगलोरांत. वेंकटरमण देवस्थानांतू वीर वेंकटेश ताजो मेन देव.
पण कितली चंद कोण लाइटिंग्स घालायची पळयताच तुम्ही. सगळे देवस्थानाक लाइटिंग्स घालताची त्या टायमार आणि मस्त पुरे डेकोरेट करताची. सो मस्त जनांक खुशी गम्मत जाता त्या टायमार.
कोडियाल तेरू केन्ना सेलिब्रेट करताचे. जनरली जनवरी एंड दवा फेब्रुवरी स्टार्टिंग अंत करताचे. दिस इज सेलिब्रेटेड फॉर 6 days. 6 दिवस कस कसा करताची त्या 6 दिवसांतो. स्टार्टिंग तेरू केन्ना सुरू करताना ध्वजारोहण. ध्वज म्हळ्यार फ्लॅग आरोहण. आता यू नो फ्लॅग हॉइस्टिंग नव्हे तशीची तेर सेलिब्रेट करताना देवस्थानाचे ध्वजस्तंभ थंय फ्लॅग हॉइस्ट करून स्टार्ट करताची.
फ्लॅग हॉइस्ट करची कसं लेक म्हळ्यार देवांक पुरो इन्विटेशन दिवचे तशी.
पूज असता, यज्ञ असता, दनपारा सिल्वर पलकींत उत्सव असता अँड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट समाराधना. समाराधन म्हळ्यार दॅट इज गांव जेवण. इट इज lunch for everybody who attends the festival.
Like गुड्डी मगिरी विंगड विंगड नमने रंदई पुराई जावनु गर्द जावण.
Then चारी दिवसो मृगबेटा म्हणून करताची. मृगबेटा म्हळ्यार the Lord goes hunting. तशी कडे साम तेर असता. The 5th day actual रथसप्तमी दिवसो ब्रह्मरथोत्सव. ब्रह्मरथोत्सव म्हळ्यार होड तेरो. होड तेरांतू दवाहाणो तेर तांडिताची. लास्ट दिवसो ओकुळी. ओकुळी म्हळ्यार जनाना बಣ್ಣ घालचो एकल्या एकल्यांक. We had talked about holy festival नवे तशीची हंगाय तशीची. This is like holy festival. तुका कलर्स घालताची बಣ್ಣ घालताची कडेरी ध्वजावरोहण करून तेरू फेस्टिवल कैद जाता. आता आम्ही शॉर्ट इंट्रोडक्शन दिलेलं नवे ताजे विंग विंगड स्टेज असा आम्ही एनिके ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ डिटेल आरी तुमका सांगताची.
बेसिकली सदीसु कस कस जाता म्हणून ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ डिटेल सांगता.
आम्ही व्हाट डिड वी से कशी सूर दत्त तेरो. तेर सूर दत्तना ध्वजारोहण म्हणून करताची. हंगा you can see this pole nave. हा पोलाक तुम्ही आता तुम्ही गावांग गेले when you go to India or even here in some of the temples like Livermore temple, you can see in front of the temple there will be a long pole. taka dhvajastambha म्हणतात. Well, sometimes it is plated with silver. दवो तजवेर चंचंद स्कल्पचर्स कोण असताचे. सो तेर सुरदतना ध्वजस्तंभारी दे यू कैन सी दिस सिल्वर प्लेट नवे. सिल्वर प्लेट आरी हनुमंतो आणि गरुड. लॉर्ड हनुमान and Lord Garudal images अशेल सिल्वर प्लेट्स ध्वजस्तंभावैरी hoist करताचे. Why do they do this? This is to signal. आता आम्ही we are doing something nice. आम्ही तेर सूर करता असाची. It is like an invitation. पूरा जना ये याची तेराक तेरू चंदायर दावो. Let it go well. कसले वाईट दावच नाका. Let nothing bad happen.
त्या टाइमारी त्या देवाक एक इन्विटेशन दिलं म्हणके. आकाशार दाखवून देव पळयताची म्हणून एक नंबिका.
Belief asa that when they are celebrating Teru festival, even lords will be looking down from the sky. So tanka vair sukun diso so that they can see. Taj katir vair vairi hoist korno. It is an invite. Then all the days Kasadatta, within the temple there will be yajna. Yajna is like a big puja. Tumka yajna kundantu puja kartachi, and devaka devasthana bitarichi there is a silver palanquin. Taka palki mantachi. Palkintu devasthana bitari devaka sutta kartachi. Tafura kondatari chari divasu. The fourth day devaka bhairi. You can see now how nicely they have decorated with flowers. Ani so taj bitari palke bitari Lord the idol of the Lord. At tumi devasthana gelalten you can see the Lord's idol name. So takka bhairi hanu palake baskaretaj. It is like an outing for the god. So mriga beta, mriga malari in Konkani, mriga is another word for deer. Bete malari hunt. So it is like Devu hunting avatasamunu. It is not actual hunting. There is no actual hunting takes place, but it is a ritual. So
कितले चंद कला पळैलवे पलंकी कितले कलर फूल्स असाची
ते पल्लकी तन्नी main रथबीदी आणि throughout the गाव थैंग काही तेरदत की ते गावांतू ते देवाका एक सुत्तू घेऊन वचून हाडताची. There will be people who pretend to be the deer. Tanka mriga म्हणून tanka capture करून they are tanka उक्कोळ्न हाडताची and देवा एदराक tanka पाय पडताची. त्याफुरा करून दत्तरी देवाका सांतेरा बितरी बस्करानो तेर तंडिताची. You can see, right? There are so many people. This tatumka hanga kitl jana sachi. So depending on the temple, nearly thousands of people yetachi ter polochaka, because it is something fun for them. Everybody can join together. You can wear nice dresses. You can eat good food. There will be a lot of cultural activities going on. Further chalta asta, dance chalta asta. So tafura poloyeta, people can have fun. Today, in olden days, we did not have other entertainment. TV na astashili, radio na astashilo. So how did people tanka gammata khushi kashi karta ashilinchi? Mainly gavantu teru malari. It was a celebration so that everybody could enjoy themselves. They had something to look forward to. At tumgal school antu annual day celebration datana, school play celebrate kartana, you feel very happy. You participate. You look forward to it. Next year kasa padche, how stage paint karta, how participate karta. Similarly, everybody in the town looks forward to Teru. Kaderi, the next day, that is the main day, fifth day, Rathotsav. It is also called as Hod Teru. When you say Hodu, Hodu is the Konkani word for big. Tumke idea de chaka, hai Mangalorantu, if you see this picture, you can see this building now. Hanga, you can see this 2-storied building. But the Teru is so big, hajaka hodasto. Kitlu hodas malari, almost 40 feet tall asta. It is built out of wood. That platform, every year tani disassemble korno, assemble kartachi. Tashi kanda vartachi, next year, takapale vairi chand mukut kartachi, taka phullana, kaderi flagsana, decorate kartachi, chandukon paint kartachi. And you can see all the people, right? Tani teru polochaka, teru tandu chaka, ailinchi.
So anga red and white flags astachi. Magiri pura jana Govinda Govinda munmanta. So pude wife husband allow ghena ashilichi ek fun story, fun fact kasa malari Govinda Govinda mantan bamnal now Govinda aslari megilaitanchi munmanta ashili.
Yes. So Davaka, you can see, right? Hanga pallaki bitari again Deval idol laka temple asukunu bhair gheunala. नेक्स्ट रथारोहण. रथारोहण म्हळ्यार रथा भितरी देवाक बसकारोच.
कितलो आता सांगा देख पडत की
काउंट करू जाता तुमका. मे बी इट कॅन बी अ फन ऍक्टिव्हिटी. आम्ही स्लाइड शेअर करताची. कितले जणांनी त्या पलकी धरला हात काउंट करून आमकां सांगा पळया.
100.
गुड गॅस.
So देवाले you can see this idol, right? ते आयडलाक होरनु तेरा भितर बसकार येताची. हंगा actually अन्य एक रिच्युअल आसा. चेडवांक फाटी लावचे म्हणून.
बेसिकली चेडवांक तेराक लायताची आणि चेडवांक चेडवांक लायक जावो म्हणून देवा लागीं प्रे करताची.
Small children within 2 years old tank ukkolnu tanka terak tanka laitachi so that tanka deval blessings melo. They can touch the teru mun. Teru yanka during those days it is like a holy deval idol mankechi. ಇದ್ದೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲೆಲೆ all these 5 days ಅಂತೂ ರಥಾರೋಹಣ ತಂತು ಭಾರಿ कसं म्हणतो होलिएस्ट म्हळ्यारी इट इज मस्त भक्ती अशी सेरेमनी. आता हे मंगळूरच्या तेरांतू रथारोहणाक कसं लेक तेन्ना व्यंकटरमणनी पद्मावतीले वळडीक चलता अस म्हणून ते सिग्निफाय जाता. कसं करताची रथांतू तेरांतू देवाले हे होर्न जातरी नारळ केळे करताचे. नारळ केळे म्हळ्यारी एवरीबडी टेक्स बनाना आणि कोकोनट फ्लवर्स देवाक मोगरा फूल जॅस्मिन फ्लवर म्हळ्यार भारी प्रीती. सो दे विल ऑफर दॅट टू द गॉड्स. ते होर्न थंय बशील भटमामाक दिताची देवा नैवेद्य कराची म्हूण आणि पाय पडताची. त्या नैशी तेरू थंडीताची. आता आम्ही तुमका दाखयलेले नवे कितलो होड हो तेरो. इट इज लाइक इट मस्ट वे अबाउट अ टन और सो. ते तितलो होड तेराक आशिल जन ताका लॉंग रोप्स बांधून असताचे. सो यूजिंग दॅट ते रथबीदी द स्ट्रीट इन फ्रंट ऑफ द टेम्पल ताका रथबीदी द वकार स्ट्रीट म्हणताची. सो एक एंड सुकून आन एक एंड ताई ताका तांडून व्हरताचे. दे पुल द तेरू. हे जनरली तेरू सूर्द 13 दिवस पूरा कई दत्तना रात्रि मध्यरात्रि दत्ता रथारोहण. when they do रथारोहण it will be around 6:30 in the evening. कडेरी जनान जेवनो गम्मत कोरनो. इट इज लाइक 3-4 दिवस एव्हरी डे पूरा जन देवस्थानांतूची टाइम स्पेंड करता असताची सगळे रात्री पूरा.
आणि मस्त शांत पुरा येता तेरा वळारी. शांत म्हळ्यारी टॉयस मेळताची मागीर विंगड चेडवा जावपाक लागले विंगड थिंग्स मेळताची. इवन आईस्क्रीम पुराय मस्त सकड मेळता. इवन चेडवांक खर्चाक म्हणून दुड्ड दिताची.
तेरा खर्च. सो इट इज लाइक अ फेअर. फुडे इट विंगड जन सामान विकूंक चंद ड्रेसेस विकूंक टॉयस विकूंक पुरा त्या टाइम येता आशिल्ले. एंड पीपल यूज टू लुक फॉरवर्ड टू इट. आता तुमकां बर्थडे कशी यू लुक फॉरवर्ड टू गेट बर्थडे प्रेजेंट्स तशीची थंय पीपल वेट. ओके तेर दत्ता म्हाका तेरा खर्च म्हळ्यार आय विल बी गेटिंग पॉकेट मनी टू स्पेंड फॉर द तेरू म्हणून ताजे खातीर राखताचे. कडेरी 6th डे आता तेर जालो. ओके तेराचे पुरा पूजा हे हवन तेर तांडून एवरीथिंग जालें. एवरीबडी इज व्हेरी हॅपी बिकॉज ओके इतले दिवस गम्मत येरी चंदायेर तेर जालो. वेंकटरमणनी पद्मावती वळडीक जाली. सो सेलिब्रेशन लास्ट डे. तेन्ना ताका Okkuli or Avabhratotsava Mantach. Okkuli timer, what do you see? You see everybody in various colors. Tanka, they are spraying water on them. People have put colors on their faces. Tumka, ami earlier Holi festival abag sangil nave. Tashi dista. Jana fura gamma teri yakla banna galnu nan touch. Dava kwapasa mervani gheun wat touch. Mervani gheun gelal kad fura. People dance, they put color on each other and they celebrate. So finally, Dvaja Avarohana. The Dvaja Stambhavayari, race kelal flags, lower korndatari, ter samapt dalo, ter kaid dalo. What santach? Ammi ek link share kela hanga. All of you can watch this at home with your parents. So, we spoke about Kodiyal Tero, right? Tashichi, every town, every temple.
Just one request. Sorry to interrupt you, Sadhana. I see the kids are chatting a lot, so no problem with that. It's just that it may change your focus. Sadhana Pachi and Venkatraman Ma'am have put this beautiful presentation for you because most of us cannot attend these Teru. So they have put all the pictures and story together. So I think kids are getting distracted because someone is again scratching on the screen, annotating. So I try to clear the drawings, but I'm requesting all the parents to please keep a watch on your kids and make sure they don't scribble on the screen. Because there's a way to identify who that is, and we'll do that. So before I'm forced to push the person out of this meeting, I request everyone not to scribble on the screen because it's distracting everybody. And I'll request the kids not to try to focus because you're all here and it shows ki tum itle interested as you're all so interested in this content. And Sadhana Pachi is telling the story so well. So please do listen to the story and we will identify who that is and we'll talk to the parents. And parents, please, if you can keep a watch on your kids. Thank you. Sorry, Sadhana, continue.
Thanks, Preeti. So, till now we spoke about Kodiyal Tero. So what all your kids can do is you can talk to your parents. Tum gel gavanto kanchechi tangel. What is so tumgel hankash celebrate karta chi? How is it celebrated? Each gaon taktachi speciality asta. At Bandwal antu tani
Rupe terasa. Rupe malari silver. All made of silver. So tak mast फूल घालताची taka fulla तेर समेत म्हणताची
चंद्रमंडल म्हणून करताची तशी प्रत्येक गावांत स्पेशालिटी असता. सो ट्राय टू फाइंड आउट कसं आशा पुरो. सो व्हेन यू विजिट मे बी नेक्स्ट टाइम त्याच टाइमा तुम्ही गेला तुम्ही त्या फुरा पळयत. आता ताची नैशी आम्ही वॉट एवर वी शोड वॉज अ वुडन तेरो. बट हांगा वॉट आय एम शोइंग यू इन दिस पिक्चर इज अ चॅरियट ताका गोल्ड प्लेट केला. When you see Hanutachi yellow color, this is actual gold plated on the chariot. And Udupantasa, Udupanto, Shri Krishna Devasthananto, had Teru, Tani ek Bhangra Teru Kela, Davakatir. Te Naishi, Te Eka Rupatir Sametas. Te Self Sana, Te Ami Pulli, the Kele Title, Brahmarata Title Hordne, Santera, but they are always kept near the temple. When you visit the temple, Tumi Hateru Ipoloyet. Hater Naishi, there is this wooden Brahmarat also. Tani Tangele Tara Taimari, Hafura Tandi Touch.
So Sadhana, just one point here. Preeti and Kedar and Marmanke will be having a separate session on Gaon Chikani now. So I am just volunteering for Udupi story. So not only Krishna Math, Krishna Math, Venkatraman Devasthana and Bakiche history Pariyavani Sagle. So I hope everyone will attend, not just the Gurukul kids, but the parents also. And that will be total on Udupi, including Goli Baje from Mitra Samaj.
Certainly.
Famous Goli Baje.
Thank you. That's a very yummy, mama. Goli bhaji amka कसं म्हणतात तुम्ही? आम्ही येऊन pick up करचो जाल्यार that would be even more greater.
Sorry,
Yeah.
we were on mute, but definitely so. But
Definitely.
pick up करा येऊन खाऊन होतात.
Hanga येऊन
The new rules don't apply to our home. Pick up मात्र नाही, we feed also. Thank you.
So, Ammi, whatever we spoke till now were about Teru celebrations in Amgal, southern India, in Amgal Devasthanam. So, this is not limited to southern India. Even Baki Kade, in other parts of India also, Tani Teru or Thai Rath Yatra Munkartachi. And it is very famous in Puri. Odisha mono, eastern part of India and take status, Thai Puri mono, Gavas. Thanchi Jagannath temple is very famous. Thai every year, Tani Ratha Yatra mono celebrate kartachi. You can, tumi paleta, this tanav tumka, these 3 gigantic Rathas. So, they build them every year. Prati Varasa, these Rathas are built afresh.
Kauchipuri nahi?
Kauchipuri nahi, and Puri Gaon city.
Odisha.
So, there were 3 Rathas. So, Kanchi Deva, which are the gods on the Rathas, Jagannath, that is Krishna, Tagel Bhav, Balabhadra, that is Balaram, and their sister, Subhadra. That 3 Devanka, 3 Ratantu, Baskarano, Tanka, Ter Tandon Vartachi. And generally, Angel Hanga, it is for a shorter duration. Teru Chantanduch Malari, Devastana Yadra Sukunu, road Artandonu Vapas Hartachi. But Hanga, Tanka 3 kilometers, the Hodod Tara, you can see them, right? Almost 50 feet tall wooden Taraka, Tandon Vartachi. Yek Devastan Sukunu, Annek. Tangele Jagannath Devasthan Sukunu, Gundicha Devasthan Mon. So, had Tara around 45 feet tall asachi, and every year thousands of people they come there in order to celebrate this festival.
Maybe a million.
So, okay, so all of you heard about Teru and we saw those photos, and maybe when you go, you can even attend them. But Hanga, when we are here, amko polo chadat vete. So yes, Hanga itumka, if you are interested, Hanga te Ratha Yatra celebrate kartachi. So Fremont anto, San Francisco anto, Iskonachan Hangele Sukuno, they celebrate. Ratha Yatra tani celebrate kartachi. So maybe you guys can go and see.
Even Sanatana Dharma Kendra antu tai side aka chariot davarla. Tapoda ittu.
So
Sandrad.
next time to me Devasthan visit kelalten no tapoda it. Thank you.
Thank you, Sadhana. Thank you, Venkat. That was very informative. I'm sure even the parents enjoyed as much as the kids. Thank you.
Thanks, Preeti.
Okay, now I'll just go back to sharing. So kids, did you like the Teru? Tum kavadlwa Tera chaikun khushi zalwa? Did you get an idea of what it is? Why? 1 minute unmute karta, you can talk, okay?
No, I didn't because you are not listening.
Okay, unmute ke liya so we can hear you. So what did you like about the Teru?
You cannot speak. You are not.
एक suggestion, कसं म्हणारी तुम्ही ब्रेक आणतो तेरू सिम्युलेटेड करनो पेरेंट्स आलो टू केली आता आणि तेर तुझी म्हणजे प्रॅक्टिस करनो गोविंदा गोविंदा म्हणून
हम कोरिया गम्मत, that be fun. You want to share something about the Teru? Sankchasva? Urvi?
Huh?
What did you like about the Teru? Ani kon sangta? Huh?
Makishta, everyone was colored in and everyone was getting sprayed with water.
Correct.
I can see myself on your screen.
Asynthia, you want to say something about the Teru? What did you like most about it?
No, I just said that I can see myself on your screen because you're.
Yes, I'm purposely showing you all so you can see your friends and feel connected. Anyone else? What did you like about the Teru? You wish you were there, participating in the crowd, touching the Teru. What did Sadhana Pachi tell you? What did Venkatraman mom tell you? What did you like?
We were all there.
I know. Urvi wishes we were all there.
Ekdam colorful ashile.
Right, colorful.
I went to Teru.
Who had gone to the Teru? Sorry, I missed it.
I went to Teru.
Say your name, please.
What's your name?
This is Samni Nitika. Last year when we went to India, we went to many different temples and we saw like the wooden Teru.
Ah.
I wish we could actually see the flowers and everything in person, but we saw the Teru with like chariots and stuff.
Yeah.
They were really huge.
That's really nice, Ritika. Yeah.
Very nice, Ritika. Imagine how many flowers they have put in there, right? How long it must have taken to decorate. Imagine.
I won't pick anyone.
Someone wants to share something. I heard a voice. Okay, so with that we'll go to the next session. If you want to share, you can make short video clips and send it to us, send it to your friends, and we'll all watch it. Okay. Okay, I'll mute everybody now.
Preeti, you want to take a break?
At break घेऊन का वे?
Because we are at the halfway point.
Okay, let's take a 5-minute break then. At time किती झालं exact? Can stop sharing.
Yeah, 12:40 done. So I guess so. Yeah, 1 hour done.
Okay. Then let's take a 5-minute break and come back at exactly 12:45. Okay. Just drink some water and stretch. Is everyone back? Anikoneski? We'll wait for a couple of minutes and Imagiri will start, okay?
Whoever has not joined, please raise your hand.
Hi, Vihan. Hi. Hi, Shraddha.
Next time you all can make short videos and say 1 or 2 sentences about the Teru. Okay?
Okay.
If you have already seen the Teru, which is not very likely, then if you have already seen the Teru, you can tell us about your experience there. And if you have not seen it, you can tell us how you imagine it might be from what you saw in the presentation today. And if you want, you can make small models and pull it with your brother and sister. And like Sadhana Pachi said,
Small drawing. You can color a teru, whatever you feel like, and post it on the group.
Do we have to say
great idea.
Do we have to say the sentences in Konkani or English? Or either.
It's better if you say it in Konkani, you'll get used to Konkani, but you can mix a little bit of English if you don't know the exact word, or you can ask your parents help. How do you say this in Konkani, and they'll help you, and then you can say it. Okay? I think most of us are back, so we'll continue, okay? आइली बा सगळे आइली बा
Preeti, start the 20. All
Okay.
are here.
Okay, excellent. So I'll share my screen again. Tangati, this way. You can see everybody, all your classmates. Oh, before that, I'll mute everyone. आणि नम्रता प्रशांत तुम्ही अनम्यूट करात, ओके?
Okay.
Sorry.
Preeti, ऐकत ना?
व ऐकत सम ऐकत. Thank you.
Okay.
So next we are going to have a quiz, everyone. It's interactive, you can answer. And Prashant ma'am and Namrata Pachi will have a fun quiz for you, okay? So how sharing stop karka no hai?
Okay. This the no?
Why this?
Okay. Okay. So okay, slideshow.
Tag wasa tual mouse lagta ko down on the down panel pada.
So so last class ami Ramayana ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಶಿಕ್ಲಿಂಚಿನವ. So now we will at kasa karya malari we'll have an interactive session, ek quiz shi, and also let's talk about the character. So Ramayana antu mastu pura characters, no? Let's talk about one or two sentences. So whoever wants to answer, so they can chat, they can send, they can say that, oh, I want to answer in the chat. Magiri, they can they'll unmute and they can say one or two sentences about the character. That no? So yeah, better to say in Konkani. If they can mix, they can match, however they are comfortable with. Okay. So let's start with, so yeah, con character, yeah.
Con character.
Okay.
Ram.
Okay.
1 minute, you got time for that.
Ram.
Okay. Good.
Ram.
We're all saying Ram. Okay. Okay. Very good. Very good. Preeti, to mute करते सकड़ान के.
Okay.
So then we'll unmute one of them, and then they can speak.
Okay, this the better.
Even Prashant is muted.
Oh, Prashant, to unmute karka every time. Sorry.
Okay. Unmute.
Hanuman.
Okay.
Hanuman. Ram.
Okay, Ram. So now let's okay. Right. So Vihan, can you unmute? Gotta swekesha unmute korche mono. Vihan.
What?
Vihan, तू एक रमा बग कसं एक sentence सांग तू है? कसं नाही? Yeah, anything. Vihan?
Not good. Nah.
Okay.
I
That
think
itself is a sentence.
sir.
That itself is a sentence in Konkani. So it's
Why? Very good, Vihan. Tu Konkani no le lo. Very proud of you.
Right.
I think Nirav is raising his hand.
Okay.
Nirav,
Because my screen समझ दिसता so that's why I'm not able to figure out.
correct. How hanga participants padeta video.
Okay.
Nirav Sanga.
Ram was brave and fearless and fought the mighty demon Ravana, and he killed Rama's son and cut off the Ravana's sister's nose.
Very good, Nirav.
Very good, Nirav. Nirav, can you say part of it in Konkani? Even broken sentences, mix it in English, it's fine. You can say it, okay? Try.
Huh?
Konkani ulon chak try kari. Thodechi.
Rama brave hota.
Okay. Very good.
Look at this.
Ani Sanga? Very good, Nirav. Tu आहे brave असं.
Rama Ravana sister's nanka cut केलं.
हा sister कसली म्हणतात ती?
बहिणी.
Very good, Nirav.
बहिणीला नांक कट केलं. नांक is very good.
आणि कट करू कसली म्हणतात ती? कापल्या.
Okay. मागे रोहित असवा.
रोहित तू ट्राय करतोय?
For what?
Very good. We can hear you.
Yeah, for what?
Oh, just say anything about Ram. Maybe you can start in English, then continue in Konkani, whatever works for you.
Good.
Ram wields a bow. Ram wields a bow. Ram wields a bow.
Oh, Ram holds a bow, eh?
Holds a bow. Holds a bow.
Holds a bow. Why? Very good. Very good. Good observation.
Right.
Now try in Konkani.
I don't know.
Try.
What do you say for a bow? A bow? Ask your mom or dad or anyone else can help him.
Ram holds a banu.
Very good. Very good. And he holds a
Rama hatta banu.
Hattantu.
Very good.
Good job.
Ram.
Hattantu.
Ramal Hattantu.
Rama hattantu banu.
Wow, Rohit, excellent.
Very good. Very good.
Very good, Rohit. आज कोण ट्राय करता? उर्वी तू हँड रेस केलवा? म्यूट काढी बेबी. हा. सांगा.
Rama keep up केलेलं promise. Rama मस्त जणांना help केला, Rama, Sugriva help केला, Wali defeat करचे.
Wow! Full Ramayana सांगलं. Good, Urvi.
Very good, very good.
Great job, Urvi.
So cute.
Super, Urvi, very good.
Okay.
आणि कोण ट्राय करता?
So I'll move to the next one.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep. I'll show you the screen. Oh, sorry. Okay, this the way. Prashant Mama screen.
So in your corner,
Hanuman.
who is Ram's most devoted bhakt?
Hanuman.
Very good. So can okay, can you think of some sentences? आमची गेल्या सांगच्या का एक दोन सेंटेन्स हनुमानाविषयी.
Son.
Me?
Hmm.
Is that me?
Yeah, you can tell.
Come on, Anika.
Oh yeah. Son.
Okay.
Sanga, it is there.
Hanuman.
Hanuman al weapon kasala.
Hanumantal weapon Gada.
अरे वाह विहान.
Okay. Okay, we'll take 5 minutes. Okay.
Wait.
तो कशी धरत गदा दाखवती? जड असवत की लाईट असं? Is it heavy or is it light? Heavy असणं वा?
हनुमंताल तोंड कशें आसा?
रिया तू हँड रेस केलाय तू दिस ऍटलीस्ट मार्क दिस ना दिस रिया सगळ्यांक रिया तू व्हिडिओ ऑन करी सो वी कॅन सी यू. Anyone else?
Sorry, real video problem is sir.
Oh, why? Huh. असं तू सांग रिया.
And
Hanuman and now Maruti.
Good Ansh, very good. Okay, Riya baby, we are ready to listen.
Hanuman. Ramana. Bhatta.
Very good.
Very good, Riya.
Very good. Hanuman Ramal Bhaktu, correct?
Thank you. Thank you.
Ani kona? Someone who hasn't spoken before.
Anirudh and Himani.
Anirudh, Himani, try kartat va? Anything about Ram. Ramal Bail kona?
Yeah. Right. हनुमंत जो रामू.
Ramal Bail Sita.
Sorry, Ramal. Sorry.
वे हनुमंतानं वे कसं ने लक्ष्मणाक कसं नाळलेलं
विहान अंक किती सांग.
हनुमंताल बाईल कोण रे?
रिया चुकून रामाल बाईल कोण?
Ritika hand raise kela. Ritika wants to say something.
Rama Shiva Avatarasa.
Very good.
Nice, very nice.
हनुमंत कोणाल पोतू वतस्की
तो पवन पुत्र असा.
Very good.
Ayu.
Vayu.
Vayu मैं कसं गोतस वा? What is Vayu?
Wind god. Who is the god of the wind?
Correct. Remember the bhajan that Sheila Pachi taught you? What did it say? Pavan Kumarana. Pavan Kumar means son of Pavan.
I'll go to the next one.
Okay.
So who is Ram's wife?
Sita.
Ramar Bal Sita.
Okay. So can someone make a yeah?
Kunal and
So, can someone make a sentence now?
Ramar Bal Sita.
anything else you can tell me about Sita?
Sita Lakshmi avatar.
Lakshmi Avatar. Very good.
Sita Lakshmi avatar.
Very good. Kunal and Sri.
प्रीति तो कोणी hand raise केला जो दिसते
And Adesani, कोणाक सांगतेस वा? अंश तुले तर mute हरस.
Hand raise केलेले. For some time before. Tang कसले सांगू असं? Sannidhi Samhita.
Sita Janaki Mantati.
Oh, very good.
Very
Very
nice.
good.
Very nice. Good job.
Very nice. Urvi, तूक सांगतेस वा?
Wai
सांग.
Sita na or Eartha dukun born jala.
Good. आणि कोणाक सांगतेस? नीरव, सीता बद्दल सांगतेस वा?
Why?
सांग.
Ravana took Sita away.
Okay, very good. आता कोंकणीन try करी.
Okay. Ravana Sita. What do you call it? June Gela.
Very good, Nirav. Pranav, तू raise केल hand सांग. Pranav.
I was raising that for the another one.
Tuk Sita bakasale सांगू असं?
No. Rama Lakshmana Janaki Jai Bolo Hanuman ki.
Very good. Very cute.
How about Avni? Avni, do you want to answer?
Avni, सांगतवा about Sita? Anything about Sita?
Okay. So I'll go to the next one.
Okay.
Okay, so guess the character who has heads.
Ravan. Asura king of the Ravan.
Okay.
Ravana.
Very good.
No, it's Ravana.
Very good. So, at the Sri Ganesh, you want to say something? Sri Ganesh. Kirti, sorry. Kirti.
And raise us, they might ask you something.
Kriti Sanga,
Say,
you're on mute, I think.
Ramana, Rama killed Ravana.
Ravana Damatya Shiva.
Very good, Kriti.
Think or bit of Taijata, so
आणि कोण सांगता? रोहित सांग.
Ravana Sri Lanka Raja.
Very good.
Oh,
Good job.
Very good. That's right.
Very good.
Ravan Shival Bhaktu.
Shiva. Anika has raised her hand. Anika, tu kasala sangu asgondi?
Ravana disguised himself as a sage and he took Sita to Lanka.
Very good.
Very good. You want to try that in Konkani, Deva?
Okay, just wait 1 minute. Ravana ರಿಷಿ ಜಾವನು disguise ಕೆಲ್ಲ
Very good.
ಲಂಕಾಕ ವೆಲ್ಲ.
Wow.
Very nice. Good job.
Very nice.
Right. If you can make little bigger, longer sentence, so that will be good.
I have a question.
That's very good.
Nirava, Sanga?
Yeah, I have a question. If Ravana was the devotee of Shiva, why did he not like Vishnu?
Why did he not like?
Sorry, can you repeat?
If Ravana was the devotee of Shiva, why did he not like Vishnu?
That's a good question, Neera. But it was not like he did not like Vishnu. What they say is he was actually a very good king, but then ek white kam kale. He was a good Shiva Bhakta. He was taking care of his kingdom very well. So generally he was a nice person, but he made a mistake. Tan kasa kale, he tried to take something which was not his. Tane Sita ka gheun gele. That was his main mistake. That was his fault.
Greedy yellow.
So because of that, after that, he kept on making one bad choice after the other.
Another thing is, if he likes Shiva, that does not mean he does not like Vishnu.
Yeah.
Just like if you like your mother, you will still like your father.
I think it was his avatar as well, right?
I'm sorry. Go ahead, please.
रावणाला एक अवतार असणार आहे
आणि अनेक एक Ravana is Shiva Bhakta mainly, but he is an incarnation of Vishnu's Dwarpal, Jaya and Vijaya.
Correct.
So that is the reason he is also Bhakt of Vishnu as well.
So this was one of his ways of remorse, right? He was given a shap. So he chose this way, whereas in his current format, when he becomes Ravana, Vishnu had to kill him. And one of Vishnu's avatars was Ram.
Sorry to interrupt, there's an echo, so I'll mute everyone, and whoever is talking, if you can unmute, please. Whoever was speaking last, can you repeat what you said? Pura mute ghalya. So you can, yeah, please. Thank you.
As far as I remember, right? So this is Riya's dad. So if I'm wrong, please correct me. As Kedar mentioned, Ravana's current roop, it's because he was, what do you say? He was undergoing a shap, right? So that's why he had to take an avatar in Kali Yuga, and that was Ravana, right? And he had to be killed by Vishnu, and Vishnu cannot kill him directly, so Vishnu took the avatar of Ram. So that's why we have this entire Ram versus Ravan episode. So that is how Vishnu, in his form of Ram, killed Ravana and his brother, so that they can get what is that exact word? I'm not able to recollect, but their shap would be eliminated. So that is one of their avatars, right?
वय सेम विंगड अवतारांतूय आसा.
Correct.
सो नरकासुरो मागीर इवन
हिरण्यकशिपू हिरण्याक्ष वय तांक 3 जन्म घेवका म्हूण आसता.
Right.
Right, that's right.
Okay.
So I'm going to the next question now, in the interest of time. So the next question is, who is the king of bear?
Jambavan.
Jambavan, right? Must second.
Yeah. Does Anjali want to talk like एक sentence?
Jambu.
Okay, so Jambavan.
Jambu.
Wait, Anjali wanted. Can you say something about Jambavan? What do you know? Huh? Anjali, no? Or Siddharth or Ravni, any one of you. You can unmute.
Can you repeat the question?
The question is, who is the king of bears? Just one sentence. Anything about Jamban that you know? Where was he? Who is he with? Who was he with? Do you know anything about Jamban? Anything about Samantaka Jewel? So he was. Okay.
Anybody
Okay. So,
wants to answer?
okay.
He like helped didn't he help Rama find Sita in the Ramayana?
Yeah. Can you translate that?
Yeah, translate करते हैं कोंकणी में.
Yeah, Sannidhi, you want to say a sentence? You can unmute.
Jambavantu Karadi Rai.
Appa Santula,
Appa.
we didn't hear.
Jambavantu Karadi Rai.
Kardi Rai.
Oh, Kardi Rai. Okay, very good. Very good. Right. Okay. So I'll move to the next one. So who helped Sita when she was kidnapped by Ravan?
Jatayu.
Hanuman. Jatayu.
Okay. Wait.
Why did Ravan kill
Wait, Jatayu. Want to say something? So who want to say something about Jatayu?
Jatayu Pakshashila.
Good job.
Ravan taka marle.
Wait. Ravan antak marle. Wait.
Can Jatayu attack kill Ravana ko? Ravana ne tagala wings kaple.
Wait, very good.
Right.
Bird without wings is not. When Ravana was about to kill Ravana cut off Jatayu's wing.
Good, Priya.
What about that?
What do we say for
in Konkani? Maka Ugrasiana.
They're all trying hard to speak in Konkani now. So that's good. That's very good. They're all trying as much as they can to speak in Konkani. That's very good.
Next వచ్చేసా ప్రశాంత్.
So who is Ram's brother? Can you name the others as well?
Lakshman and Hanuman.
Lakshman.
Lakshman.
Dasharatha.
Lakshman, Bharat and Shatrugana. Lakshman.
Very good.
Lakshman, Bharat and Shatrugana.
Okay.
Bharat and Shatrugana.
So Rohit want to say a sentence. So Rohit.
Lakshman by Ravana. I mean Ram. Lakshmana bow Ram.
Lakshman Ramal Bhav.
Or Lakshman Ramal Bhav. No, very good.
Very good, Rohit.
Very good.
Good job. Vihan took some chess back. Nah. Don't feel any press.
Okay. I'm going to go to the next one. So who was Ram's father?
Dashrath. Ani Ramal Mama Kausalya.
Very good. Okay. Very good. So one sentence. Listen, a sentence. Anything about Dashrath?
Dashrath dak 3 bail ashile.
Very good.
Dashrath agar baili ma Kausalya.
Good job, Khushi. Good job.
Okay.
Urvi, Sanchez Vetuka, to mute Teresa. Urvi, took Sanchez ve? Looks like you were saying something.
Mantara. Mantara. What is that? Why? Mantara.
Who's the emperor?
Mantara.
Good job, Vihan.
Mantara. Mermaid.
Mantara.
Rohit, to chat a type can I say a sentence? Sanda.
I didn't type it.
Okay.
Okay. So the next question is, who asked Kaikai to make Bharat as the emperor? Mantra, no?
Mantara. Mantra.
Okay, good.
Advance.
Mantra.
Yeah, anyone wants to say a sentence? Anything about Mantra?
Mantara, Kaikeyi eagle servant ashili.
Oh, very good.
Mantara must have quite a shila.
Okay.
The two Vanara brothers.
Sukrivani Hanuman.
Mantara,
Love and sorry.
Question is correct. Who is the other one?
Vali Sumali.
Sugriva. Vali Sugriva.
Vali Sumali ne.
Vali and
Sugriv.
Vali and Sugriv.
Vali Sugriv.
Vali and Sugriv. Vali and Sugriv.
So any sentence, anyone? Okay, I'm going to do a little fast. Character?
Kumbhakarna. Lion.
Do you know what is Vanan? Do you know monkey?
Kumbhakarna.
Monkey.
Ravana.
Hanuman. Mankad army.
Okay, I'm going to go to the next one. I think 1 or 2 more questions. So
Who tasted the
Does anyone know this?
Jabari.
Jabari.
Oh, very good.
Jabari.
Very good. Shabri.
Jabari.
Right.
What was it? Sour or sweet?
Okay. So who was Ravana's sister?
Ravana's sister.
Shurpanaki.
Oh, very good. So anything that you want to say about Shurpanakha?
I have a question.
Lakshman cut off her nose.
Yeah.
I have a question. So if Ram cut off Shurpanakha's nose, how could she breathe? She could have died. How could she breathe?
Nank malarte external part re.
Through her mouth.
Nank ಬಾಯಿಸಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಜಾವ್ ಕಮುಂಡ ನಂಕ ತೂದಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿಕಂತ
ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ನಂಗ ತೂರಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಸೊ nostrils were open.
So who was the golden deer?
The guy.
Golden deer kaun hai Sheila?
रामायण बरल कौन है?
Valmiki.
Okay. So this concludes our little summary or questions or any interactive sections that you want to have. So good, very good participation.
Thank you, Prashant. Thank you, Namrata. That was a lot of fun. You enjoyed? Tum covered la? Yes. You want to say anything about Rama and any character that you wanted to say but could not? You can unmute and say anything if you want. Okay, if not, we'll go to the next section, okay? Share karta. So that was the fun quiz, and thank you all for participating. You know a lot of answers. Thank you. Some announcements. Next time, just send in your video clips so that we can see what all you can say and we can all have fun. आणि घार आहे कोंकणी नुलयाती, even if it's a few words here and there, speak in Konkani. We spoke to your parents earlier. They were very happy that you have started speaking a few words in Konkani, even if it's colors or if you want to say some words, they are very happy to hear. So please, Konkani talk, okay? And these stories that you heard today, if you miss something, you can go back and look at the recording, okay? And enjoy it. Let's go to Om Namah Shivaya meditation. We do it every time now. Okay, Nalar Bastatva. Jaina. Okay. Even video this Anidal. Zata. Very good, Vihani. Anyone else? Very good. Even if you are seated anywhere, apple sauce, okay? We'll give you a minute to adjust yourself, get comfortable. Ready? Straight by Sati. Try to sit straight. Tashi, you sent us your video, so we know you all can do it. Let me unmute. I think everyone is on unmute now. Already. Yes, everyone. You can unmute with everybody. Okay. Unmute. Yes. Dorchimni. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. We can stop now. Sorry to interrupt your meditation. It does feel good, doesn't it? And stop Koruk, I feel bad. It's just that in the interest of time, we have to stop the meditation. But you can definitely continue on your own. When you're by yourself, you can sit and meditate, or you can definitely sit and meditate, okay, for a much longer time. So with that, next we'll sing Mangal concluding prayer, which is Sarva Mangala Mangalye. And Rupa Pachi and Chetan Ma'am will help you with this.
Priti, I think tu sagla mute kari so that echo जातले.
नाही आम्ही वटू म्हणतात ना वा बाय सो
शिवे सर्वार्थ साधके शरण्ये गौरी नारायणे नमोस्तुते शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणे नमोस्तुते शरण्ये गौरी नारायणे नमोस्तुते नारायणी नमोस्तुते गौरी सर्वाति सारिके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते.
3 times is enough for now. You can say for your own mental definitely, okay? Okay, so I have muted everyone. Thank you everyone for joining, and I hope you had fun. We all definitely had fun with everyone interacting and chanting together. And Om Namah Shivaya and Sarva Mangala Mangalya. Sorry, we had to cut short because of time. But please, whenever you want, Mastapan Manat, you can say 108 times even. Ask your parents how to do it. And we also chant Om Namah Shivaya on Tuesdays and Thursdays in the evening. So definitely you can join. Ask your parents how you can join. It takes only 15 minutes, so you'll enjoy it, okay? Thank you, parents, for getting your kids and joining the parents-teachers meeting. With that, we'll conclude today's Gurukul session. Thank you. Bye. Bye.
Thank
you.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
I am